Sean from Fast Turtle. Good to have you back. So I finished installing the Vario clutch and brake lever on a Friday evening, and I didn't have the chance to try the levers yet. Today is Sunday. I decided to go ahead and try them really quick here in the parking lot next to the house before I go for my hike. So I'm starting right here with the adjustment level 1, which is the far to reach, the furthest one from the handle, and the same here on the brake lever. Both of them are set to the shorty length, right? And with this set screw right here, I can adjust it, make it a little bit longer if I want to, but I want to try them like so with this setup first. So I'm gonna go ahead try like level 1, level 2, level 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 6. So now since I commute to work back and forth, and I do get stuck in a lot of traffic, I am gonna go ahead and try to use the clutch with the rear brakes by itself from here all the way to that tree. I want to see how doable it is. Okay. Okay, that's not bad for only this distance. Usually I'm in traffic for longer than that. So I was only using 2 fingers. Now I'm gonna try 3 fingers. Or basically, so it looks like I can cover the lever with all my fingers and the pinky is not in the way. So let's give it a try. Okay, so with the 3 fingers I have more strength to keep holding the clutch and playing with keeping the clutch within the friction zone. And so okay, that's the first try. Let's try adjustment number 2 right here. This is level 2 and this is level 2 right here, clutch and brake. Okay, so remember, I've been riding BMWs this is my 4th one. I haven't used clutch for a long time, except when I'm taking off. Feedback, position number 2. So on the brake lever 1 and 2 were fine with me. I noticed there is a little bit of delay in the brake assist, the hill assist control, I believe. A little bit of delay in comparison with the original lever. Now let's go to level 3. 3 on the clutch and 3 on the brake. That is 3 by 3. Okay, 3 is really, it felt really well, very natural in shifting up and down on the clutch. Brake, didn't notice any, you know, it's fine, it's doable. I'm still confident with that level. So okay, let's go to level number 4 here. Oh, this is 2. There is 4. And this is 4. Here we go. So 4 is really coming closer. The distance, the reach distance is getting shorter and shorter. The same thing here. Okay, so again, 3 is the best as far shifting up and down without feeling that I need to learn about the friction. Alright, so let's go to 5 and 5 over here. Okay, not bad with the 5. Let's try the 6. Here is the 6. This is the last adjustment. It comes with the 6 different adjustment for the reach, and we're gonna go here 6. Okay, 1 or 6 for sure not for me. Okay, that's too low. 6 is not the best, so I like number 2 and 3 on the clutch in this distance with the short length, and the dial is on 2 or 3. There is 3, 2, 3 and 4. So now 2, 3 and 4, I can tell from this testing. I need to try it while I'm riding on the street as well, but what is doable and applicable or be able to use in my daily commute, 2, 3 and 4. I want to see which one has less has the least exhaustion on my fingers. For here I can go with 1 or 2. 1 is the furthest, right? 2 is a little bit closer. So let's go in between 1 and 2. I'll go with 2. So I'm gonna pull over and review these with you. Okay. Anyhow, so I went through all the settings from the furthest one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 6 on the clutch and the brake lever. Remember, these levers are not for every riders. It depends, you know, it's for the people who have like short fingers like me, or people would like to prefer to use 2 fingers. So they are not for everyone. These levers, I get them, they were provided to me by Wunderlich, and I'm reviewing them, and I told them I will give the honest review. And of course, we all know they are not for everybody. So, like for me, they will work perfect because I have short fingers. So I went through all the dial adjustment from the furthest away from the handlebar all the way to the closest one. And what fits me the most, like as far as clutch lever adjustment, it was between 2 and 3, and as far as the brake lever, it was between 1 and 2. Now, what do I like about these Vario levers? First, they are German engineered. Second, they are made out of aluminum 7075 T6, which is known for its strength. They have 6 adjustable reach positions, you know, where how far and closer to the handle, and you can as well adjust them as far lengthwise. Now, the Pro, let's start with the brake lever. The brake lever, I noticed there is a little bit of delay for the, I always have my motorcycle set on auto for the hill assist control, what is it called? Auto hill assist control. So I noticed there is a little bit of delay. And of course, the levers are new for me. I'm not sure if I have to apply further more pressure, or because I'm using only 2 fingers, which I used to use 2 fingers with the original brake lever. So we cannot say the brake lever is not good. Maybe I need some more time to practice in using it. So if I press it a little bit harder, the auto hill assist is activated. So that's not a problem. The second, as far as Pro, I noticed that the brake are quickly activated. There is not like that buffering time which I used to anticipate with the original brake. When I want to stop, I used to know that it's gonna take me that long to stop, so I used to anticipate and keep holding and pressuring. With this one, just the same pressure that I apply, I'll finish with a little bit more and the motorcycle is stopped. And not sure why the motorcycle is not dipping all the way. So that's the Pro for the Vario brake lever for me personally. And I felt really confident and comfortable using the 2 fingers applying the brakes. Now let's move to the Vario clutch lever. Again, the Vario clutch lever, I have it set on shorty, you know, which is the shortest in length, and I have it set on position. I like my setting between 2 and 3. This is not the best setup for people who commute in traffic. I commute in traffic every day, so when I'm stuck in traffic and I have to keep using the, you know, riding with the rear brakes on and the frictions on, probably this is not the best to have the shorty, but I'm gonna give it a try. Nothing wrong with strengthening my fingers, right? So the Pro about the clutch lever is easy to use the 2 to 3 fingers. Even if I have it set on the shortest length, I can still use my whole hands, and the pinky is not in the way. So I tried it really quick here in the parking lot to, you know, mimic the traffic, the traffic, which is like, you know, hold the rear brakes and then use the friction zone. It was okay for that distance. I usually commute like about 20 minutes in traffic. It's very bad, and in Oregon we don't have lane splitting. It's not legal. So the Pro are as far the clutch lever is easy to use, the 2 or 3 fingers. The cruise control worked. The motorcycle, I can use the gear shift assist Pro with no problem. The micro switch was not damaged when I installed the clutch lever. And let's see, the only con, or the only thing that needs to be worked on, is the dial. The numbers on the dial. The numbers on the dial on the Vario clutch and brake lever is very, very hard to read. So yeah, this is the only thing I noticed that they need to work on. I had like hard time to see the numbers, because it's hard, you know, I had hard time to see it. So this is the only thing that they might need to work on, maybe mark it with red or white or something that can stand out and can be easily read. How do I like the Vario clutch and brake lever? I love them, not bad. As far as the brake, they actuate the brakes quicker. The clutch lever gives me that sporty feeling, although this is a sport touring motorcycle. Would I recommend them? Of course. For the right person, yes, I definitely recommend them. For people with short fingers like me, yes, that will help to reach the brake lever, to reach the clutch lever. The only thing I can say is maybe the dial, the numbers on the dial, if it can, if they can change the color from white, red to something can be easily visible. So again, thank you for Wunderlich for providing this Vario clutch and brake lever to me. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and leave comment. That will help my channel tremendously. Again, thank you so much. Until next time with a new topic.